In today's video, I am going to teach you how to see all your comments on YouTube. If you've ever tried to find a comment you left weeks or months ago, this quick walkthrough on desktop will make it simple to review everything in one place. I will guide you through exactly where to click, what you'll see, and how to jump back to the original video a comment came from. First, open YouTube in your web browser. On the left side of the screen, you will see the main navigation sidebar. Click on the History tab there. This brings you to YouTube's History page, which organizes your recent activity. Even though this page is commonly used for viewing watch history, it also gives you access to your comment history. Next, look over to the right-hand side of the History page, under the section labeled Manage All History. Click on Comments. This link takes you to a dedicated page that collects the comments you've made across YouTube. It's the fastest way to review what you've said without digging through individual videos or channels. On the Comments page, you'll see a list of your comments arranged chronologically, with the newest entries appearing toward the top and the oldest usually showing up as you scroll down. Each item includes a snippet of what you wrote and context about where it was posted. This is helpful for scanning at a glance, especially if you are looking for a particular conversation or checking how your comments appear publicly. When you want to revisit the original video tied to a specific comment, click the blue text that reads something like "commented on." That link opens the corresponding video so you can view the full thread in context. This is handy if you want to follow up on replies, rewatch part of the video for context, or simply confirm how your comment fits into the discussion. Keep in mind that if a video has been removed, made private, or the comment thread is no longer available, the link may not load as expected. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.